Hi everyone, today with me I have this set of laundry bags I found on Amazon. They come in a pack of 3 and this is the size medium. Now they have so many different other sizes and mixtures of them, so you should check that out as well. But I absolutely love these for a couple reasons. Number one, these are super strong mesh. They are durable and long lasting. They always have these little hooks on the side so you can hang them up from anywhere you want, and these zippers slide so smooth like butter. It's super easy to open and close these, and as you can see there's a little elastic in here for you to tuck the zipper in whenever you're washing to make sure it's not going to rust and going to protect it. Now these bags measure 11.81 inches by 15.75, and the M bag are perfect for bras, scarves, t-shirts, pants, some dresses, maybe a swimsuit, socks, and shoes. I definitely think these are absolutely amazing, and I have them in every size from smallest to largest. They are awesome, and I've relied on them heavily to do and protect my laundry. So check them out and get one too.